Prosecco is without a doubt the most famous of all Italian sparkling wines. The most famous sparkling wines from Italy in the entire world. Prosecco. So how do you go about pronouncing Prosecco? Well, first say pro. If you can't pronounce the Italian R, say pro. Otherwise, just say pro. And then say and co. Prosecco, or with a typical English pronunciation, just say Prosecco, but with the true, genuine Italian pronunciation, Prosecco. Note that there is a double C here, meaning that you do certainly want to emphasize on the C here. Prosecco, Prosecco. Prosecco, the most famous of all Prosecco wines is Prosecco di Valdobbiadene, but I will make a separate video on how to pronounce Prosecco di Valdobbiadene. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of Italian wine pronunciation. Au revoir. Ciao, ciao.